trimming your broccoli or making it into florets, please wash your produce before you use it. To work with the broccoli, you don't want to cook it like this because the florets will cook faster than the stem. You want to cut them into florets. Basically, you want to run your knife towards the base of the broccoli, and we're trying to make them all the same size so they all cook even. Some of them won't be the same size, but I'm going to show you how to trim them to proper size. The crown, I'll show you what to do with the stem in a moment. The stem is also really edible. And again, just cut the base of the broccoli. If you have something that doesn't seem perfect, just don't use it. Right now it's winter, so broccoli is not the best at this time. So the whole point of trimming or making florets is make them all the same size so they all cook evenly in your pan. This guy we can just cut. And trimming means to take everything to the same size in the culinary world. Somewhere else, my trimming means get rid of the fat if you're into fitness, but we're trying to make them all about the same. The stem also is useful and in the kitchen. Let's get this guy down to this size, and that would be your floret of broccoli. For the stem, you want to even both sides, and we proceed to we're peeling it, cut all sides. We're just getting rid of the outer layer because inside it has this nice area of tenderness. Just get rid of the dark green spots. And now your broccoli, the center of the stem, can be added to dishes. It can be pan steamed with your broccoli. And it's another part of the broccoli that is edible. And that's how we make the florets. And we also use the stem of the broccoli.